Your dog might be sniffing out your next doctor's appointment without you even knowing it. While we're busy wondering why our furry friends spend so much time investigating our socks, they're actually detecting chemical changes in our bodies that could save our lives. The incredible world of medical detection dogs is reshaping modern healthcare in ways that would make even the most skeptical scientist do a double take. These four-legged heroes aren't just cute companions anymore. They're becoming some of the most accurate diagnostic tools we've ever discovered. And their success stories will absolutely blow your mind. Meet Daisy, a golden retriever who can detect bladder cancer with 95% accuracy just by smelling someone's breath. Or consider Storm, a German shepherd who alerts his diabetic owner to dangerous blood sugar drops hours before traditional monitors would catch them. These aren't isolated incidents or lucky guesses. This is cutting-edge science, wrapped in fur, and powered by wet noses. The secret lies in a dog's extraordinary sense of smell, which is between 10,000 to 100,000 times more sensitive than ours. While we're detecting maybe 5 different scents in our morning coffee, dogs are analyzing thousands of individual chemical compounds simultaneously. When diseases develop in our bodies, they create unique chemical signatures that escape through our breath, sweat, and even urine. To us, these changes are completely invisible, but to dogs, they're like flashing neon signs. Cancer detection dogs are leading this medical revolution with remarkable precision. Research centers across the globe are training dogs to identify various cancers, including lung, breast, ovarian, and colorectal cancers. In controlled studies, these amazing animals consistently outperform traditional screening methods, catching cancers in early stages when treatment is most effective. What's even more incredible is that they can detect these diseases months or even years before symptoms appear. Diabetic alert dogs represent another life-saving breakthrough in canine medicine. These specially trained companions monitor their owner's blood sugar levels 24/7, providing alerts that prevent dangerous hypoglycemic episodes. Unlike electronic monitors that only work when activated, these dogs are constantly on duty, even detecting drops during sleep when their owners are most vulnerable. The emotional bond between these dogs and their humans creates an unbreakable partnership that goes far beyond typical pet relationships. Seizure detection dogs showcase perhaps the most mysterious aspect of canine medical abilities. While scientists still don't fully understand how they do it, these dogs can predict epileptic seizures with remarkable accuracy, sometimes providing up to 45 minutes of advance warning. They're trained to perform specific tasks during seizures, from pressing emergency buttons to lying next to their owners for protection. The freedom and confidence these dogs provide to people with epilepsy is truly transformative. The training process for medical detection dogs is as fascinating as their abilities. Starting as puppies, these future medical heroes undergo months of specialized training that combines basic obedience with complex scent recognition. Trainers use samples from patients with specific conditions, teaching dogs to identify and alert to particular chemical signatures. The positive reinforcement methods create dogs who are not only highly skilled, but genuinely excited about their life-saving work. What makes this even more remarkable is how these dogs adapt to individual owners. Each person's chemical signature is unique, and medical alert dogs learn to recognize their specific owner's baseline. They can detect subtle changes that indicate approaching medical events, creating a personalized early warning system that's more accurate than many expensive medical devices. The impact on families is profound and heartwarming. Parents of children with type 1 diabetes finally sleep through the night knowing their dog will alert them to dangerous blood sugar changes. Cancer survivors credit their dogs with catching recurrences early enough for successful treatment. These aren't just medical tools. They're family members who happen to have supernatural abilities. Current research is expanding into even more conditions. Dogs are being trained to detect Parkinson's disease, malaria, and even COVID-19. Some studies suggest dogs might be able to identify people with certain mental health conditions based on chemical changes associated with stress hormones. The possibilities seem endless as we continue discovering the full extent of canine sensory abilities. The future of medical detection dogs looks incredibly promising. Researchers are working to understand exactly which chemical compounds dogs detect, potentially leading to electronic noses that could bring this technology to more people. However, many experts believe the emotional intelligence and adaptability of dogs will always make them superior to artificial alternatives. These amazing stories remind us that our dogs are so much more than pets. They're partners, protectors, and now, life-saving medical professionals. Every tail wag, every curious sniff, every moment of unconditional love comes from creatures capable of detecting our health changes before we even know they exist. The next time your dog gives you an extra long sniff, remember that they might just be checking up on your well-being in ways we're only beginning to understand. The bond between humans and dogs has always been special, but medical detection dogs elevate this relationship to something truly extraordinary. They're not just man's best friend, they're becoming our most reliable healthcare partners. Which of these incredible dog abilities surprised you the most? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like this video if these amazing pups blew your mind. Subscribe for more heartwarming dog stories that'll make you appreciate your furry friend even more.